What's up, guys? I'm Alan Branch with Carolina Fitness, and with me, as always, the champ, Derek Sellis. What's going on, my man?
What's going on, Alan? How's it going?
It's good, and today is a really good because I get to learn more about this special promotion for gym owners that Carolina Fitness is doing. And look, as I want in on this deal, so I need to learn more. There's a demo program. Tell me a little bit about what that is and what that means for gym owners.
Oh man, the demo program is pretty cool. So have you ever been here and you've seen a product that you liked and you're like, I would love to have that in my gym, but I don't want to spend the money for it?
Many times, yes.
Well, with the demo program, we can do that for you. Basically, what it is you find a product that you like, you let your sales rep know about it, and we can set it up. We'll bring it to your gym free of charge, let you try it out for a few weeks, X amount of time. And then if you like it, you can purchase it. If not, you can bring it, let us take it back, and you get to test out a piece of sweet equipment, and we get to let you have it for a couple of weeks.
So I get to pick out equipment, whatever you're offering. I get to pick what I want. You're going to bring it to me. You're going to leave it with me. I get to use it and test it for free.
For free.
Okay, so sign me up. All right. So let me ask you this: if I'm a gym owner and I am interested in this, well, what do I do? Do I contact my sales rep? If I don't have a sales rep, how do I get in touch? What do I do?
Basically, you'll talk to a sales rep. You can talk to one of the ones here, or you can message us on social media. Be like, hey, I saw you're doing a demo program. I want to try out some of that sweet Dynabot equipment. Well, guess what? You can just do that. We can reach out to you. We'll get all the paperwork squared away, and then it's Dynabody in your gym for the next few weeks.
Man, that is that's the greatest deal yet. So if I don't have a salesperson, then I just reach out to the main Charlotte store. Do you want to go over the different locations that we have so they kind of know what stores, where they're close?
Very, very good point. So we have Charlotte, of course, which is the hub. There is a sports and fitness outlet in Rock Hill. There is a sports and fitness outlet in Greenville, South Carolina. We also have the Wilmington, North Carolina location, which is another sports and fitness. And then we have our Asheville location in the mountains, which is a Carolina Fitness Equipment.
Sweet. So this is a great program, guys. I've never heard of anything like it, but this demo program for a gym owner is kind of a no-brainer to give me a chance to try out stuff before I buy it, which is great. So Derek, thanks for the time today. Thanks for telling me about the demo. Man, I got to look through the inventory and pick out a piece of equipment, get it shipped to me.
Got it. We've got a whole warehouse. Every location does. So go take a look, see what you want. And if the product isn't available on the demo program, we'll let you know. But pretty much anything is, available. So.
Okay, so guys, if you have questions on the demo program, just comment demo down below, and we'll make sure we have the right salesperson reach out to you. If you already have a salesperson, you should be able to reach them here in the group. Reach out; they can give you all the details. So I'm Alan Branch, Carolina Fitness. The champ, Derek Sellis, is with me. We'll see you next time.
See you guys.